How to actually fix your life. This is crucial. This might be the point where you finally fix your life. You will look back after a few months and see remarkable progress. But in order for that to happen, you must focus all your attention to this video. Pause and put this video on full screen. There are 3 crucial steps to apply in order to fix your life. These 3 steps turned me from a regular guy who procrastinates into a disciplined man with purpose. The first step that makes a huge difference in changing our life is our influences. There is a quote that goes hand in hand with this step. We are the average of the top 5 people we spend the most time with. In the modern world, because we mindlessly consume social media content and follow others, the new version of this saying is that we are the average of the top 5 people we consume the most content from. Just as our friends and family influences our mindset and our thoughts, the content we consume does the same thing. By realizing this, we must consume content where it influences us in a positive way, where eventually makes us better later on. For example, start reading books and watching content where people share their story on how they improve their life.
People up. I'm trying to armor their mind. I'm trying to get them the belief. Because this world we live in is tough. It will beat you down.
By doing this, it will influence us into fixing our life and to believe that what we are trying to do is also possible. The second step is our purpose. This is essential because your purpose is the thing that's going to keep you on track. You must find what your purpose is. What is it that you want or want to improve? And I don't mean by asking other people of what your purpose should be, but you need to discover it yourself. And for that to happen, you must cut off all distractions. That's right, for a few days try to clear your mind, and that means no social media for some time and no entertainment. Go spend time in nature. Clear your mind by meditating and by doing some physical exercises. And ask yourself this: what is the thing you were born to do? After you clear your mind from social media, you will sense a strong thought in your mind. And that thought will eventually find your answer. Third and last step is taking action. You must realize that it's not me who is going to fix your life or anybody, but it's actually you, and you alone. You are in control of your life. You are the one who makes the decisions.
If you will change, everything will change for you.
You are gonna need to fix it through action and belief, and certainly not through intent. You can intend to change your life for years, but if you don't take action to change it, or believe that you can, then your intention is worthless. You can dream and intend all you want, but without taking action, everything will remain the same. You know what needs to be done. You just need to apply these steps and actually take action. I will showcase some actionable steps you could apply, so that you start taking action as soon as possible. You can start meditating for 3 to 5 minutes every morning. Do some physical exercises daily. 30 push-ups. Journal gratitude. Visualize your day and write down every little thing that you are grateful for. By doing all these steps for a few days, your mind will have no choice but to adapt to this change, and they will eventually help you fix your life. I would appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to show some love. Until next time.